Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, a debug-capable build and the right credentials. Once those are ready, set logging to debug or trace so you capture detail. Next, launch the app with the debug flag or attach your debugger to the running process. This gives you breakpoints and stack visibility. Make sure to open relevant source maps or symbol files so variable names match. Finally, prepare a small, repeatable test case you can run immediately to reproduce the issue and collect initial traces. Once connected, set conditional breakpoints on the suspected code path to avoid noise and add watch expressions for key variables. Step into functions when logic looks off and inspect the call stack to understand how you arrived there. Use step over to skip well-tested library calls and step into when business logic is involved. Record execution traces and note time deltas in milliseconds to spot performance regressions. Make sure to rerun the minimal test repeatedly, while adjusting breakpoints to narrow the. You finish by applying targeted fixes informed by your traces, then rerun the reproducible test to confirm resolution. Once satisfied, clear breakpoints and rebuild an optimized release build to verify behavior under production settings. Make sure to validate edge cases and monitor logs for regressions. If things still go wrong, collect full debug logs, core dumps, and create an isolated minimal reproduction. This often exposes environment-specific issues. One key tip: when stuck, reduce surface area, strip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.